72-hour, goddamn, I'm feeling amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this nine is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom on vacation.
I'm here with Jake Pavero of the Northern Knights. So Jake.
Yes.
How do you think the rain is going to affect this game you play in?
The rain's not gonna affect me because I'm friends with the rain, and it's not gonna affect me at all.
Plus, you ugly on top of that. That's already a disadvantage. Built like a tall otter. We're next. I'm here with Steven, aka Puglisi, of the and your question. Oh yeah. How do you think the rain is going to affect you in this game?
It's not gonna affect me at all.
And you prayed it, so this. So I think. Who do you think you'll sweep the Knights?
Yeah.
There we have it.
You guys ready? 3-1 pitch. Ball 4. Strike 3. Strike him out. 0-2 pitch. Strike 3. 0-2 pitch. Oh, that's gone. That's not gone? Foul ball. But that looked like it. Got the line. 2-1 pitch.
Yes, let's go.
2-1 pitch. Hit. Everyone's safe. Base is loaded. 1-2 pitch. Strike 3. Gavin gets out of the jam. 2-2 pitch. Strike 3. Gavin. Full count. Full count pitch. Ball 4. Base is loaded. Full count pitch from Gavin. Strike 3, gets out of it. What an inning. 2-2 pitch. Strike 3. Oh, passing out. Pitch. Strike 3. What an inning for Jake. 3-2. Don, I'm looking. First pitch of Jake. And that's popped up. Drop. Jake's staying at third. And Jake scores. 1-0 Sharks. 2-2 pitch. Strike 3. Got him looking. The 2-2 pitch from Jake. Strike 3! He got him! Let's go! Top 3. 1-2 pitch from Jake. Strike 3. Good pitch. 1-2 pitch. Strike 3. Got him. That could be it. Strike 3! Jake ends the game. Complete game shutout from Jake. Game 2. Strike 3. Perfect game. Strike 3. Zero pitch. Ball 4. Base is loaded, no outs. The 2-2 pitch. Oh, hit to right. 1 scores, Jake scores. Carson moves to third. That's a two-run single for Gavin. 3-0 pitch to Jake. Ball 4. Okay. And that's hit to right. Off the shed. 2 scores. Oh no.
Yes.
Carson moves to third. Wait, what's the score? 5-0. He doesn't care. Let's go. What's the count? 3-1. Ball 4. Ball 4. Bases loaded. Oh, that's gone. Let's go. I really hope I wasn't in the way. Carson's 3rd home run of the year. What is it, 9-0? Count pitch. Ball 4.
He went. It's a miracle.
And that's ball 4. And that's off the shed. It's a double. Ball 4. We'll play the Eagles. And that's to the left. 2-run score. Nope, yep. Shake. Goes to 3rd. Goes home. I don't know. I think he was out. He doesn't care. And that's hit to left. Safe for 1st. Single for first. Oh, and that's out. That's 2 outs. I know Colin has a different. And that's a little dribbler to 1st. And he doesn't run. And he's safe. Go, what are you doing? Second. Nope. Strike 3. Got him looking. Count pitch. Strike 3. Oh, come on. 2-2. That's in him. No, that's in him. That's 2-2 pitch. Strike 3. Perfect game. First ever in OAWL history. The Knights win 13-0.
Here with Gavin McGlory of the Northern Knights. Gavin, how do you feel about your performance today?
I know. I was trying to split, but the rain held us back a little bit. We got that 1 run, so we lost. We split. We're sitting at 4-2. I'm comfortable we can make a playoff run. And yeah.
Make a run from your barber. All right. You have this.
Let's go.
And another question: how do you feel about giving yourself the MVP award?
That's never happened. So.
I'm not done. And we're done. He ugly. His mom knows he's ugly. Built like a stick. We're gone. We out.